Today I have this Burg Wächter Profi, and this one is actually made in Germany also. It's 40 millimeters in diameter. It does have higher security than the last one I did, the chter. As you can see, it has spool key pins, and it does have spool driver pins also. So you have to be very careful not to overset this, otherwise you'll have to start all over again. But here's the put it in this vise here. Here's the key bitting on it. Real nice challenge. It does work perfectly. And I'm going to use a deeper hook, 15 thousandths, on top of the keyway. Here. Alright, got a little bit of a false set. And try to find which one gives me the best, talks to me the most on the counter rotation here. Alright, I like 2. There's 1. Felt like 3. Rake it a few times just to get any pins that are stuck. Felt like 1 dropped again. Use a stiffer pick on that one. Alright, that was 1 and 2. And there it is. Last one was 5. Excuse me. But overall, this is a great practice lock. I mean, it is quite a challenge. It's well made, and it is decently sized, so it's not like carrying a brick in your pocket if you want to take it along with you. You can't repin it, but you'll probably be working on this one for a while. So, great lock. Get one with a good bitting on it. Give you a good challenge. But anyway, thank you guys for your time. I appreciate it, and enjoy your day and stay legal.